So hey everyone, hello and I welcome you to Talk with RD. So basically today we are going to discuss about GFG practice session. Why every student must have a ID at GFG practice session, and those who are preparing for placement, why GFG practice session is a bit plus point to them. I have talked here everything. I have shown you how to make profile in it. I how to solve question in it, what kind of questions are available in it, what kind of company topic specific company topic tag questions in it, how you got the point, on that basis how your rank pushes. Okay, so I have talked about everything and I have solved one question as well to show you live demonstration how the point will get increases on solving a particular question. So without wasting your much time, let me directly jump into the video. So let's get started. So friends, here is our browser. All you need to do is to simply type gfg practice and you will get this first link. You just need to click this link, and yeah, here their site got open, and simply you just need to sign up to their site. I have already logged in it, and after signing up you just need to verify the email and simply log in up. So basically this is their site. I will tell you each and every detail about this site and how the things work on and how you can submit questions and how on that basis the point got awarded, right? So basically here they have three sections: problem, courses, get hired session will only open when you cross the first 100 point, and here is their problem session. Let's move on it. So yeah, they have a very decent filter on it, right? So on that basis you can just you are seeing that they have a three kind of nearly problem. Full problem, where you just need to code it from the zero, and in a function problem means there are predefined functions and you just need to depict the logic for solving the question. And third is bookmark problems, and that's a one session. Secondly, you can just choose a difficulty level. They have nearly five kind of difficulty level. Like if you are very starting, just starting it, you are recommended to use it the basic or easy. You can also use school. So how the point got awarded: if you solve the question for school, nearly 1 point got awarded. For basic, 2. For easy medium, nearly 2 to 4 points, and for hard it's 8 point. Okay, so you can apply those filter, and on that basis the question will get appear here, right? And third one is short by. uh, Short by on the basis of submission accuracy newest. And yeah, this one is nearly a gem part, right? Company tag, here you can see they have a question which have nearly come into, you can see they have many companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Adobe, Acolyte, Paytm. So if you willing to crack some, if you are targeting a specific company, you can apply the filter, and on that basis they will the question will get appear which have come in the past at that company. And topic tag, the another gem part. So they have, you can see many topics. Like if you are starting with the data structure, you can choose array, array. And here you can see the question related to array, and they have nearly, let me remove other filters. So okay, so they have nearly questions for from basic to hard in the array part. Okay, so if I show you the profile part, uh, okay, let me redirect it. So okay, it's opening. So yeah, that's my profile basically. If I zoom in, okay, so I have nearly solved 103 problems, and it's a pie graph. Sorry, it's a graph uh, of a kind of problem which I have solved, and all those problem will get appear here, right? So if you somehow, if you have solved it and forgot it, and if you want to refer a solution again, so you can also check it out, right? So I have nearly solved all kind of questions, and I have just started with it nearly 4 to 5 months back, and I was not continued though, but you can check it out. They have a very a well furnished site for practice session. If you are preparing for placement, or if you are a student and preparing for a particular company, or for learning purpose, if you are preparing for a particular topic, here you can get everything. Okay, so let I have found out a problem, and let me show you how you can submit the problem and how the point got awarded on that basis. Okay, so it's our question called maximum indexing. It's a medium kind of questions, and accuracy for this question is 42.72. So this question is nearly submitted by 28,000 people, and the maximum point which you will get after solving this question is zero point 0.4, as it is a kind of minimum medium question. Okay, so the best thing which I like about GFG practice session is this company tax section. So this question has been asked in Make My Trip, Amazon, VMart, Microsoft. So this is the best thing if you are trying to focusing on a particular company, so you can directly have a good idea of what kind of problems are actually asked in that company. Okay, so if I read the question, so the question says, given an array A of n positive integer, our task is to find the maximum of j minus I subjected to the constraint ai is less than equal to aj. Okay, so here is an example. For n equal to 2, we have two elements 1 and 10, and definitely 1 is less than 10, so it's going to be 1 minus 0 1. Okay, second one seems to be a good example. For n equal to 9, here is our value. 34 is not less than 8, so we will not consider this. So we will try to push our pointer to the second position, the index I equal to 1. For I equal to 1 index, 8 is less than 10. Yes, we know that, but we need to find the maximum one. So 8 is less than 3, no. 2, no. 80, yes. 30, yes. And 33, yes. So and 1, no. So 33 is our last index, as element our total element is 9, so this position should be 7, and 7 minus 1 6. Okay, and if I see the constraint, so constraint is like this. Okay, and complexity. Okay, the main thing here, the main thing in GFG, that you need to optimize your code to a given complexity. That is the main thing which make your performance better day by day. Okay, if you are pretty much continue in it. Okay, so there can be maximum, there can be many logic, but I have made this one, that basically what I will make, I will try to make two dynamic pointers, two dynamic array, and one is left minimum and one is right maximum. Okay, for left minimum I will try to choose the minimum from the left position. For right I will try to choose the maximum from right position. Okay, okay, and here is the thing is that I will skip I, and here it should be j. No. Okay, so what I have done here, I have allocated two dynamic array, and the zeroth position of a left minimum should be assigned from array 0, and accordingly I will traverse it from I equal to 1 to n, and here we will try to choose the minimum from it, right? It kind of I. Similarly, I will do it for the R maximum, right? So I will try to assign R maximum n minus 1 from last value from I n minus 1, right? And for rest of the value I will traverse it from n minus 2 to j greater than equal to 0, j minus j, let me choose. Okay, and after that what I will do, I will simply take R maximum of j. As I have told you, we will try to make it, we'll try to choose actually maximum value from it. So array of j and R maximum of j plus 1. That's the main logic here, which will going to help you. And after depicting this, we will traverse our array from left to right, and if we get the maximum indexing we will simply return it. That's it. So for the sake I am just assigning I equal to 0, j equal to 0 and the maximum difference to be -1. That will going to help us, and you can definitely apply your own logic. So that's my kind of logic, and we will traverse it from a given constraint of I less than n and j less than n, and we have chosen a while loop to do this task, and simply we will take this if statement and we will satisfy this constraint, right? So L minimum value of I must be less than equal to R maximum of J. That's it. And here the variable which we have prepared, maximum diff. So here we will try to choose the maximum of maximum diff and J minus I. That was a question, right? And simply we need to increase the J value, and if this condition won't satisfy, we just need to make an else statement which can do this task, I plus equal to 1. Okay, and simply what we need to do after the execution of this while statement, we simply need to return maximum difference. That's it, that's our code. I hope it won't get any error. So let me compile and run and check out that if this condition satisfy or not. So, okay, it's an error expected. Okay, so I think I have skipped a bracket. Let me check it. Okay, so it must be, okay, it must be where, okay, it should not be here. It must be present at position, okay, it must be here. So now I check it. So it's running. Okay, your output is 0. So I have done something wrong. Okay, it's again requesting. Okay, it is not coming right. Okay, J minus minus, it must be, okay, and here I have done okay, right? And L minimum must be less than R maximum, and okay, maximum difference to be J. Okay, sorry, that's a kind of mistake which we have done, a pretty simple mistake. Syntax thing paste. Okay, so now it's showing to be a correct output equal to 1, and now okay, that's the compilation part. If I submit, there are a number of queues of test cases which they will run. So it is requesting, and let me check. I hope this question is going to be okay, the correct answer, and maximum time for execution is 0.36. Okay, so you can check out here that okay, I it was my actually मेरे पास 148 पॉइंट्स थे, एंड आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन मेरे पास 152 पॉइंट्स आ गए. ओके, सो इससे मेरी रैंक भी पुश हुई होगी कुछ, और मुझे पॉइंट्स भी मिले. ओके, सो इफ आई नाउ चेक माय प्रोफाइल, so total problem which I have solved, it must be 104, right? So that's my performance chart, right? So it's a pretty simple. You can definitely have a look on this awesome platform. So you can practice the questions here and can make a best of it. Okay, after solving this, there are so many questions regarding to same kind of like same set of problems, so you can definitely solve it one by one. So I strongly recommend you to make an ID at GFG practice session, start practicing, बिकॉज इफ़ यू आर टू बी अर्ली, अगर आप थोड़े जल्दी होंगे तो आपके लिए ज़्यादा बेटर होगा, क्योंकि कंपनी कंसिडर करती है यहाँ पे GFG स्कोर्स को एंड गिव यू अ गुड प्लस पॉइंट in your resume. So that's all. I hope you enjoy the video and learn a new thing from it. So definitely have a look at this awesome, pretty awesome platform. So that's all from my side. I hope you will start it. So thank you. Goodbye. Let's meet on to the next video. Bye bye guys.